So now that the gardening season is coming to an end, I wanted to show everybody how I built this. And I'm not really sure what it's called. I came up with this design during the winter. I'm calling it a vegetable pergola, essentially, but it's really to grow your own vegetables for climbing plants. And the great thing is not only will it climb vertically, but it'll get right onto the ceiling, and then you can literally pick off food like these beans right from the top. And you can walk underneath, so it's a really cool design. Now, a lot of people have been asking me what I would charge to build this for them. And so this could be a new side hustle. And I wanted to give you a tour of how I built this to kind of see what I should charge people. It all starts with these little post blocks here. And the great thing about this is you can put the post in. Now there's no screw or anything. It's just kind of just sitting on top. So this actual post will move around because it's not obviously in concrete. So to kind of stiffen this entire thing up, what I did is cut these pieces with some old lumber that I had sitting around, and I put one in each corner and on the sides. And what I've noticed is once I did that, it really stiffened the entire thing up. This entire pergola, the dimensions are 8 by 16. And the reason I did this dimension is that I could just buy 8-foot 2x4s, and I didn't have to make any cuts. It was just a lot of math to kind of get the posts in the right place and make sure the whole thing was square. But as I mentioned, a lot of people have been asking me, you know, what would you charge to build this in on their property? So after I had about maybe half a dozen of inquiries about what I would charge, I decided that I needed to figure this out. So what I'm doing is I'm building another one on this side of my property. And you can see I've already got these raised garden beds pre-built. I found some old fence panels, some old pallets, and I've already kind of started on where I'm going to build this. I had 2 of these extra blocks so I could get started. And so this whole area, and I'm going to set it up with this automated watering system as well, so I don't have to do any of the watering. So I'm going to build another one over here. And I should have a good idea on what the cost is for the material, because the one that I built on this side, a lot of those posts and material I already had, so I just bought what I didn't have. But here I'm going to have to buy everything. I'm going to keep a good track of the materials and also the time it takes me to build this, because if you have a yard like this, which is relatively level, basically it's just math to get it up and running, because you got to determine where each of these blocks go. And once you determine everything, they got to be completely even. So you can use a level to make sure that you put a board across to make sure that it's level. And in the event that it's not, you can just kind of bury these a little bit underneath. So it doesn't have to be perfectly flat. And I just kind of want to figure out, you know, how long it would take me to build this. And I think it's going to be a 2-man job as well. So I'll have to carefully document that as I put it together. But I just wanted to know what you think about this pergola that I built and how much you think I should charge for it. Now, of course, I don't know what the material costs are. I don't know the time it's going to take, but I'm kind of trying to figure out what people are willing to pay for something like this. I could get it pretty much started and finished in 1 day, I believe, maybe 2 days if I have to do a lot of math in determining where all the blocks go. But I think if I start in the morning, I could probably get this built in a single day. So anyways, I'm really curious what you guys think about this. Let me know what you think I should charge for this. Do you think people would want to buy it? You know, it's a great way to grow your own food, especially with food prices being high. The amount of food that I have been able to grow on here is just, you know, astounding. I was perplexed on just how much, and it's still coming right now. Look, I got these black Krim tomatoes that are ready to go. So I'm very, very impressed. I'm going to be having a lot of food once I grow another one on that other side. Of course, this is all automated with a watering system. I could build this probably in a day. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this design. And more importantly, how much I should charge for this, because this could be my new side hustle, building these vegetable pergolas on the weekends to try to make ends meet. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Make sure you go and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in content like this. I'll talk to you again. See you later.